Hey, Nonna Pia, what are you making there?
Artichoke.
Oh, artichokes?
Yes.
Ah, my favorite. Look at that.
I'm going to prepare. I stuff them. I rinse them. I open up.
You clean them up?
Yes, I clean.
What's this, new apron? My favorite kitchen tool is my hands. Ah.
I do everything with my hands. But I wash my hands all the time.
I know.
That's why I have arthritis. Now, when I make a bread, I save some bread.
Yeah.
When I have to stuff something. I'll show you.
Oh, you're going to soak your bread in the water
Yeah,
here.
I already cut root,
Let me see.
parsley, and garlic, and I mix it up like this.
Then you got your homemade bread. Squeeze it out.
It's my own bread.
I know. What is that, Nonna?
The artichoke stem.
Ah, you throw some of the stem inside? Beautiful.
Put a little cheese.
What kind of cheese is
It's
that?
a Romano cheese. Now, put the eggs. Now, I put a little bit this too.
Store breadcrumb and mix. The big part, you need to mix it with your hands, right, Nonna?
Yeah.
Or else it doesn't come good.
Everybody does different, maybe.
Yeah.
It's the way, and I know, and the way I did all the time.
All right. Goes the stuffing. Nice. There you go. There's one. Who taught you how to make these, Nonna?
Mama, we used to like a lot.
Did you ever learn anything from your grandma?
I never met one.
So I'm very, very lucky I got to meet you.
I'm the old one in the family.
Some salt on the top.
Olive oil.
Olio. A little more breadcrumb.
Now, come with me. You gotta boil it.
Okay, we gotta boil them up. You gotta wait how long, Nonna?
Take about an hour.
Oh no. You have a snack for me?
I got everything.
You always have a
You wanna
snack.
see something?
What else you got for me?
I make a meatball.
Oh my god. Fresh meatballs? Can I have one now?
Oh, sure. You can have them all. 2 or 3.
Give me 2. You even cut it for me?
The knife cut.
Thank you. Let me try one right now. My god, melts in your mouth. Perfect.
Came so beautiful.
So fresh. I'm gonna eat all this right now.
See how beautiful?
It's all done, Nonna?
Almost done now.
Oh, nice.
I'm gonna put some juice out.
Oh yeah. Can't wait to try some. Thank you. Give me a kiss. Mwah.